Planet of the Fakes 4 Couples. And Pigstar. H News. He thought that getting her overweight was going to keep the men away while he was out of town. He was wrong. Some men like overweight women. Hopefully, she leaves him because it's going to be hard for her. Her self-esteem is low. He looks and acts crazy as fuck. Any rational woman would stay away from his ass. She need to leave him, and as soon as he would have hit me I would have took a lamp and bust in across his MF head. He disrespected her and her kids. An IDKWTF she see in him, he fat ugly and his hair nappy AF. It's simple, the only reason he is able to treat her like is the money and stability. She probably don't work. If you not going to work and pay your own bills, then this is what you get. A dictator. I heard people say she should leave, she should poison his ass, but as long as you sit down and depend solely on this dictator, the more you have to accept this. He is a punk for hitting her and all. If a man is giving his all to a woman and she's still stepping out on him, that's wrong on her part too. She's a cheater and he's a beater. Two wrongs don't make a right. She shouldn't be playing with a nigga heart though. I'm not justifying shit, but he's hurting and he took his hurt out on her. Don't fucking cheat and nigga, just leave. Don't put your hands on her. The comments are funny as hell. I got one question though, not saying I agree with his method, but why isn't anyone speaking on how this man was taking care of her and she mentally and emotionally abusing him? And yes, women, to use a man for financial gain is a part of mental and emotional abuse. Deonte Rasputin. Look, everyone is entitled to their opinion. I'm not saying he was right, but what I am saying is don't overlook one abuse to address another one. Kier Franks SMH. What does that have to do with him hitting her like a man? If you unhappy, leave. I don't care what he paid for, that don't give him a right to hit her. He don't own her. Deonte Rasputin. For every action there is multiple reactions. But I will not ignore the actions that caused for the reaction. How is he mentally and emotionally abused? It's his money that he giving to buy love. Now he see that he got used, he want to be abusive. What if he killed her? Would you feel the same? He needs help. Kier Franks SMH. Talking to dudes or cheating ain't abuse. Punching someone in the face is abuse. Only one is a crime. Only one of them would go to jail. He's a hoe nigga flat out. He's not even saying she's cheating. He said she's talking to guys on the internet. It's a million different ways he could have handled it. Cut her off, leave, fuck her friends. Yet he chose to beat her and stream it. Summer butts. Like I said, I'm not excusing his behavior. But when will we address her behavior? Cause at the end of the day she started the situation with her behavior. So should I take it that you're saying her behavior should be excused because his behavior is worst? Summer butts. If that's what you're saying, then I have to say I disagree. She's just as much wrong as he is in my opinion. Kier Franks. No, stop playing with people's feelings, but after you put violence into a situation that you feel used and react in that matter, it not right. She didn't steal from him, he spent money on his own behalf. Real men walk away and laugh at a woman like that. Kier Franks. No, I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is if you're dumb enough to get used, leave. Beating her ain't the answer. It's not a crime to accept shit from someone or seeing or dating. She's wrong, but the punishment he gave her don't fit the crime. Leaving her should have been the punishment. Are you saying you should beat everyone that does you wrong? There's different levels of being in the wrong. She was a level 1 on being wrong, he was a level 10. Summer butts. I'm sorry, but I disagree. First off, if he's taking care of the household and she's entertaining other men, she should walk away. And any form of manipulation for financial gain is a form of stealing. Secondly, you can't say what a man can and will do in a situation like that because all men are different just like all women are different. It's funny that you said, a real man. That's like saying an independent woman. Just curious, what is the definition of that? Deonte Rasputin. Do you get my point? So if I may ask, are you a religious person? Deonte Rasputin. I ask because the Bible says no sin is greater or lesser than another. To lie is to hold the same value of sin as to murder. So it brings me back to how is what shush. Kier Franks. I see your point, and yes, I'm semi-religious. She's wrong, there's no disagreement there. But if my son says a cuss word, he's wrong for cussing, yet I wouldn't beat his ass over it is my point. It's different degrees of being wrong. That's like saying if she fucks someone and he kills her. You won't be saying, well, she shouldn't have fucked someone. You get my point. Deonte Rasputin. She did better or less offensive than what he did. Look, all I'm saying is she don't get a pass for her behavior like he don't a pass for his behavior. Deonte Rasputin. That's all I was saying. If you look at the comments, you'll see everyone is overlook her behavior and attacking the man. He is at fault for his behavior, but he's not the only one at fault, and she deserves her share of blame in the situation as well. Do you see what I mean? Deonte Rasputin. I'd like to ask you a question, brother. How can we tell when the next man is at his breaking point in life? How can you tell if your next door neighbor is on the verge of a nervous breakdown cause of whatever he may be going through? Kier Franks, you are operating under the premises that she did do it. Could he be insecure and jealous about any attention she gets? Did you have more backstory than what was presented? I'm asking because maybe I'm missing a piece. I agree with you on the fact that how he handled himself was wrong. I can understand the hurt if she was factually cheating on him. I will never justify his response. Just on self-preservation alone he has opened himself up to a case and any retaliation by her family and friends. Janelle Wilson, I asked the question because of what you just said. You're willing to give her the benefit of the doubt, but he don't get that same benefit of doubt. You're right, I don't know the whole story, but what if he was doing everything a man is supposed to do and she's doing all type of things while he's at work, no matter his occupation, to provide for her? My thing is, why is he's the only one blamed and she's not to carry any weight? And if you watch it again, you'll notice that she screamed harder when he said he was gonna take her shopping than when he hit her. That tells me that that was what really hurted her. Secondly, he was calling out names, so that further tells me he knew more about the situation than she thought he did. Now I repeat, I'm not agreeing with his actions, but I definitely don't excuse hers either. They both did wrong. I don't do taking sides, and in order for us to grow we have to stop doing that. Right is right, and wrong is wrong. Be a whole bitch ass Nia for this. Then really wants clout off of it. Talkin' about tap in. His fat ass wouldn't be holding the phone up, cuss we'd be in that hoe getting down. TF. My nines and his legs would have been introduced that day. WTF, he ain't her father. That's her pussy and she could do what TF she want. If he don't like it, leave. Life goes on the same way with or without you. They say monkey know what tree to climb, I just wish a motherfucker would. Try this tree and see if tomorrow wouldn't be your funeral. There's no justification, and that's why it's best not to allow anyone to think that just because they may provide something that it equates to ownership. Fucking foolery. He's evil, hell is his resting place. But he won't have rest, he will be burning. And he deserves to burn. A real man will never hit a woman for no reason whatsoever, they'll just leave. That's a demon spawn. But then niggas will get mad when black females go to white dudes or to females. Look at what you doing, n asterisk 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 dirty ugly ass. My ex was abusive but I hit back and so does the most high God. I would never hit a woman, not even in this situation, but I'm not gonna down this man for it. Cause I don't know what he's done for her, what she told him, their kids, how much time and energy invested, etc. that's making him feel like this. I see women going off, being violent, causing damage, etc. when they get upset and nobody says shit. In fact, people find it funny and they cheer them on. I even hear people make excuses for cheating women. Nobody cares about what the man cheated on is going through or what type of issues he may incur because she couldn't control herself. If everybody is gonna be treated equally, let's start by eliminating these double standards. Of course it's not right to hit a woman, but let's treat that the same way we treat these crazy women ruin niggas' cars and being violent, punching them all in the face when they find something they don't wanna see. Eric LMF McDaniels. Exactly, some people just don't have self-control. So when you play with them, things happen. I don't condone hitting no woman even if she is a whore, but I am not gonna crucify this man like I see people doing. As adults, we all need to accept that there are consequences for our actions, whether male or female. When you use people or accept things from them knowing you aren't being true to them, common sense should tell you that you are not just gonna be able to walk away from that unscathed. John Jiggs. My point exactly. I don't condone hitting a woman neither, but people do have a tendency of snapping after they have done all of the best things they can ever do for someone, financially loving their children, everything taken care of them and their children, and the kids don't even be theirs sometimes. Like, it's wrong. I would never condone hitting a woman, but if you are a whore, tell me from the beginning so you can give me a call option if I want to deal with you or not. Do not get me in your life, use me up, and then think I'm going to just walk away. You're going to have to pay me back or something. People be out here working hard thinking that they're in love and they're really not, and that's sad. You a butch ass nigga, fr. Fucking abuser. Even if she's gaining selfish conversation online, nigga, you a straight bitch hitting a woman, be a man and leave, dummy. Leave is always the answer. If dude's trying to talk to her and she's not correcting them or she's initiating the conversation, leave. I talked to a girl and a dude tried to suggest then hanging out and she didn't respond to that. She changed the subject. I got up and walked out. I know what it looks like to leave the door open so they'll keep trying. She left the door open for me like that. I'm quick to walk out. Entertaining other dudes is something I don't tolerate. If we're friends just hanging out, I don't care. I purposely didn't have relationships for 11 years because I'd rather be happy by letting them do them, and if it's someone else they want, I can leave or they can leave without the sense of cheating.